Stop! Do not travel to India. Did you know traveling to India means you have 90% more chances to get infected to COVID-19 virus as compared to any other country in the world? Do you know why? Nearly 90% of India has high positivity rate. The skyrocketing case hold has overwhelmed the hospitals and crematoriums. Overall case hold now surging past 25 million and death crossed nearly 3 million. Have you any idea when does US issues level 4 travel advisory against any country? Level 4 travel advisory means do not travel. US issues level 4 travel advisory for its citizens against travel to global terrorist hubs with potential life-threatening risks. Level 4 travel advisory is the cautionary advisory of US State Department for its citizens due to worsening COVID-19 cases, record crime rate and increasing terrorism threats in India. US State Department clearly indicates do not travel to Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir due to state-sponsored terrorism and civil unrest. Terrorists may attack with little or no warning, targeting tourist locations, transportation hubs, markets and government facilities. Incidents of violence by ethnic insurgent groups including bombing of buses, trains and markets occur occasionally in the northeast India. Masked extremist groups of Naxalites are active in a large region of India and have conducted frequent terrorist attacks on local police, paramilitary forces and government officials. The US government has limited ability to provide emergency services to US citizens stuck in India amid the current emergency situation in India. Travelers who intend to travel in India so far should know that rape is one of the fastest growing